So I've sold hundreds of homes over my 10-year real estate career, and here are the 3 biggest renovation mistakes that I've seen the most often. Number one of the easiest ways to get yourself in trouble when you're doing renovations is to spend way too much money and go with way too high end of finishes in proportion to the type of house that you have. I've seen this where people spend a ton of money and go unnecessarily high end when they don't have a high-end home, and then they're disappointed to learn that they're only going to get back a small fraction of what they spent on these high-end upgrades when they sell. Number 2, I see this really often as well. It doesn't matter how nice of materials you buy if the quality of workmanship is really poor. This is often with DIY situations where people just don't pay enough attention to detail, or they don't have the skills to do the job right. Flooring installed really poorly, tile that isn't straight or that they didn't trim properly around the corners. The list goes on, but sometimes if the quality of workmanship is so bad, it'll hurt your home's value because somebody who sees it is gonna want to rip it out anyway and redo it and make sure it's done right. And then number 3, this would be updating parts of your home, but then leaving other parts of your home completely outdated when you go to sell. It's gonna be hard to get the money back for the money that you spent on the updates if there's still additional projects that have to be done for the home to be completely updated. In general, it's better to not do anything at all or to do it all the way. Don't stop halfway.